Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review that can enhance your home security and make your life a little easier. We found the Kwikset Powerbolt 250 keyless electronic deadbolt lock, and we've added a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's dive into what this product is all about. The Kwikset Powerbolt 250 is a keyless electronic deadbolt that offers a modern solution for securing your home. With its sleek matte black finish, it not only looks great but also provides a high level of convenience and security. One of the standout features of the Powerbolt 250 is the convenient keyless entry. Say goodbye to fumbling around for your keys. With the 10-button keypad, you can easily lock and unlock your door with just a few taps. This feature makes it incredibly simple for you and your family to come and go without the hassle of traditional keys. Managing user codes is also a breeze with this lock. You can customize up to 25 user codes, which is perfect for families or shared spaces. Additionally, it offers 5 one-time user codes, ideal for guests or service personnel who may need temporary access. The programming code allows you to edit or delete these codes whenever necessary, ensuring that you always have control over who can access your home. Security is paramount, and the Powerbolt 250 doesn't disappoint. One of its key features is the auto-lock function. You can set it to automatically lock itself after a specified time, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes. This feature gives you peace of mind knowing your door will secure itself if you forget to lock it after you leave. Another notable feature is the intrusion alert system. If someone enters the wrong code 3 times in a row, the lock sounds an alarm and disables the keypad for 1 minute. This provides an extra layer of security, preventing unauthorized access attempts. For those late-night entries, the Powerbolt 250 has you covered with its easy low-light code entry. The bright LED lights illuminate the keypad, making it easy to see and enter your user code, even in the dark. Just tap the keypad to activate the lights. If you're planning to go on vacation, the lock offers a vacation mode that temporarily disables the keypad, ensuring no one can operate your door lock while you're away. This feature adds an essential layer of security when you're not home. Another impressive aspect of this lock is its SmartKey security. This technology protects against advanced break-in techniques and allows you to rekey your lock yourself in seconds, to any KW1 key, ensuring that you always have full control over your home security. The Kwikset Powerbolt 250 offers an impressive 12-month battery life, meaning you won't have to worry about changing the batteries frequently. It operates on 4AA alkaline batteries, which are not included, but this long battery life gives you ample time between replacements. Installation is straightforward as well. You can install it with just a screwdriver, and if you need assistance, the Built app provides 3D interactive instructions with voice, text, and animation guidance, making the process even easier. So, who is this product suitable for? The Kwikset Powerbolt 250 is ideal for families, busy professionals, or anyone who values the convenience of keyless entry and enhanced security. It's perfect for homes, apartments, or rental properties, providing flexibility and peace of mind. In practical use cases, think about the ease of letting your kids in after school or allowing a neighbor to check on your house while you're away. With the customizable user codes and the ability to manage access, you can ensure that your home remains secure while offering flexibility to those who need it. In conclusion, the Kwikset Powerbolt 250 keyless electronic deadbolt lock combines convenience, security, and ease of use in one stylish package. Whether you're upgrading your home security or simply looking for a more efficient way to manage access, this lock is a fantastic option to consider. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.